Did you know that originally Coca Cola was created as a medicine for headaches and nervous excitement? Hello, and this is Proxima, and today we will talk about the production of Coca Cola. Get ready, we're starting. The main ingredient in Coca Cola is sugar, which is obtained from either sugar cane or sugar beets. Sugar beets are cleaned, sliced into small pieces, and processed into syrup, which is then purified of impurities. Sugar cane undergoes a simpler processing procedure and is usually immediately turned into syrup. The syrup is sent to the Coca Cola factory, where a mixture is created using water, which will be used in the production of the beverage. Other ingredients, including natural flavors, caffeine, phosphoric acid, and cola extract, are also prepared at the Coca Cola factory. The caramel color used in Coca Cola is made from sugar syrup, which is heated until it turns dark brown. After the ingredients are prepared, they are mixed in a large container called a syrup mixer. The mixture is thoroughly stirred to ensure that the ingredients are completely dissolved. Then the mixture is cooled to the temperature required for the carbonation process. After cooling, the mixture is directed to a carbonation machine, where carbon dioxide is added. This makes the beverage fizzy and gives it a refreshing taste. Depending on the region where Coca Cola is produced, different types of carbon dioxide may be used to achieve the desired level of carbonation. After carbonation, the beverage passes through a filtration system that removes any unwanted particles and residue. Then the beverage is directed to the packaging line, where it is filled into bottles or cans and sealed. Depending on the region where Coca Cola is produced, different types of packaging and volumes may be used, but the most common is a glass bottle with a volume of 355 ml. In the final stage of production, each bottle goes through a quality control system to ensure its safety and quality. Taste and aroma tests are also conducted to ensure that the beverage meets Coca Cola's standards. After passing quality control, the drink bottles are sent to warehouses, from where they are supplied to stores, restaurants, and other places where Coca Cola can be purchased. Depending on the region where the drink is produced, it may be sold in different formats and volumes, such as bottles, cans, or plastic bottles. In conclusion, the production of Coca Cola is a complex process that involves multiple stages. Coca Cola carefully monitors the quality of all ingredients and production processes to provide its consumers with a safe and delicious drink. What is your favorite soda? Write in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss new educational videos. Thank you for watching. See you soon.